Top 5 reasons why digital marketing is not a scam. Yes, there are many reasons why people believe that digital marketing advertising could be viewed as a scam, and for that reason, you should be careful and cautious who you purchase from. But just before you start believing that it's a scam, let's get started with 5 reasons it's definitely not. I will say this, digital marketing and done-for-you digital products can be profitable, and you just have to do your research on what works best for you and apply the techniques and tools inside a course that will help you obtain your goals. I highly recommend a low-cost course such as DBA. Digital marketing is not a scam, it's a legitimate and powerful tool for businesses. Let's explore why. Increased online exposure. By optimizing your website for search engines SEO and using social media marketing, your business can appear in front of more potential customers actively searching for your products or services. Precise targeting. Digital marketing allows you to target specific demographics, interests, and behaviors. Your ads reach the people most likely to be interested in what you offer, increasing the return on investment ROI of your marketing spend. Cost-effective, pay-per-click PPC marketing lets you pay only when someone clicks on your ad, making it a cost-effective way to reach a targeted audience. Content marketing, creating valuable, relevant content through blogging, videos, podcasts, and webinars helps attract and engage your target audience. Email marketing. Despite being around for years, email marketing remains effective for keeping your audience informed and engaged, ultimately converting them into customers. Remember, digital marketing is about building trust with your brand and increasing sales through various online channels. It's a legitimate strategy that businesses can leverage to reach new heights.